What is going on, guys? I'm Brandon, this is Extreme Daily Drivers, and today we're reviewing this awesome set of LED bulbs from Auxbeam. Woo! What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by the garage. Today, it's a red letter day. We actually got a sponsorship for today's video. That's right. Auxbeam reached out to me, said, is there anything I need for any of our cars? And I said, yes, dude. I could totally use a set of LED bulbs for the Miata because we are running regular old halogen light bulbs in this thing. And although it's a step up from what you actually get with the factory back in 1991, it still could use a major upgrade. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna swap out these bulbs for these guys. Check them out. Link down in the description as always, guys. The GX series. These are the H4 because that's what we got in our Miata. Let's open up this box, do a little unboxing here, and check these things out, dude. They look like they're from freaking outer space. All right, so I'm gonna get these guys out of their little box here. They're packaged super nice. That's a nice plus. All right, cool. Oh, they have all sorts of ballasts and stuff like that. Check it out. All right, this is what you get in your package. Installation should be super easy. I mean, we're gonna plug this into the factory wiring harness. We got this little heat sink wiring ballast, whatever you wanna call it. Then we have the bulb itself and it has a little fan on the back. Keep things nice and cool so they don't overheat. So inside the box, they give you everything you need for install. We got zip ties, we got double-sided tape, we got our 2 LED lights, we got some instructions, and we got a huge sticker to put on our car, or better yet, our refrigerator. So as I said earlier, I'm not running the traditional sealed beam that came with these things back in 1991. I am running an upgraded headlight that allows me to put in an H4 bulb. Gives me much better output of light and a nice cutoff. So now if you haven't done this upgrade to your Miata, dude, you have to do it because those old sealed beams, dude, they're straight up dangerous. So I'll put a link down in the description below to upgrade your lenses to this more kind of traditional, newer setup. Now to access the bulb, I'm gonna have to take off a couple screws here to expose the back of the headlight. I'm gonna grab a Phillips head screwdriver and get these guys off. All right, with the plastic removed, we got 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna loosen those and we'll be able to turn the frame and pull the lens out. All right, with the bulb free, just gonna pull this back piece out, remove the lens. All right, we got the lens off. Just pull off this rubber piece back here. Then we have a little gate. Push down, where is it? Okay, these 2 tabs right here in the front. Push these guys down. All right, once those are loose, open it up and you can remove your bulb. So the bulbs that I was running in the Miata are upgraded. These are Philips Crystal Vision. These are actually really good bulbs for very little money. Nothing bad to say about these, but I have a feeling these are gonna be a lot better. All right, so for installation of the new LED bulb, you're gonna have to manipulate your housing a little bit. Now, I think this is probably only because, you know, I got a 30-year-old car and I'm trying to put 2022 technology in it. But the good news is the bulb can only go in one way, so you can't screw that up. You get it nice and flush in its little groove. Now this is where you have to manipulate things. You'll notice that this little cage has to wrap around the fan and also wrap underneath the power cord here. So you're gonna have to straighten some of these bends out so that it can make it all around and make it back to the end here. So using a basic set of pliers here, I was able to bend the wire, essentially making it a little bit longer, flattening out some of the bends in the wire, and I was able to loop it around and hook it. And this guy's in here good and tight now. Definitely not going anywhere. All right, installation super easy. OEM plug from the LED. Now we have to find a place for the ballast. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the zip ties provided and zip tie it to the wiring that's already in the car. Let me show you what it's gonna look like. Give me 2 seconds. There you go, zip tied on, super tight. Let's reinstall everything and let's see how bright these guys are. Are you ready? Let's get this guy outside. We're gonna go ahead and compare these new LEDs versus the old halogens. All right, so here you can see the halogen lights against my garage door. And like I've been saying, man, these bulbs are decent. So here they are out in the street. Now my street is lit up fairly well, but they still give off a good amount of light and a nice beam pattern. I'm pretty happy with this light output, but I'm pretty sure that the LEDs are going to be a lot brighter. All right, now let's check out these LEDs against the garage door, and oh my God, they're a lot brighter, man. Now check these things out, man. My goodness. It's really hard to kind of tell how much light this thing is thrown down. I apologize for that. My street is lit up a little too well, but I can tell that there's a big difference, and I hope it's showing up on camera, but I can't wait to get out on some dark roads with these lights. They're really going to make a huge difference. So anyway, guys, what do you think? Let me know down in the comments, which one do you think was brighter? I think it's pretty obvious that the LEDs absolutely dominated those old halogens. I want to thank Auxbeam for sponsoring this video. Great product. If you guys don't want to take my word for it, go on Amazon and read the reviews because they're all amazing. Anyway, guys, if you're interested in picking up a set for your car, and they make them in all different sizes, not just H4s, if you want to get a set for your car, there's a discount code down in the description along with a link to purchase. I want to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time, man. Later.